Hey everyone, Pharaoh Silver here, and this is the April 2026 Atlas Earth Progress Report. I am doing it a little bit early this month. That's because I really don't have any other videos to talk about, and I'm still working on two videos at once. Now, I know I haven't been talking about Atlas Earth as much lately. I've been working on a new series that has sort of been tying the Atlas Earth and beer money stuff together and explaining why I'm doing what I'm doing on this channel. I really think you should check that out, especially if you are, say, younger than 30 and you're just starting out in life. I talk about a lot of stuff in my own life that has led me to where I am today as well in it, and it is the first time I've been on camera solo ever on this channel, and honestly on YouTube. I've done 2 videos already, and I'm working on a third now. I'm also working on the Beer Money Engine app, which I had hoped to officially release this month, but I got caught up with a lot of stuff. It's now going to be moved to the end of May that it will be released, but it's not going to be too much further, everyone, all right? There's just been a lot of stress going on with my own life right now, as usual. I don't want to talk about it here, but yeah, it's just pretty much that, just personal stuff. So enough of that. Let's get to the stats. But before we do, and yes, hype this video up too, if you please. I'm going to start doubling it as a channel update as well for you know what else is going on. So go to the comment section on your phone, swipe left, and press the hype button. It just takes a few seconds. Alrighty, let's go to the numbers. I'm currently sitting at 4,171 parcels for a monthly gain of 76 parcels. That is divided into 42 commons for a total of 2,109, 21 rares for a total of 1,243, 6 epics for a total of 603, and 7 legendaries for a total of 216. I do want to show you this too. After so many months of complaining about having a low legendary ratio, I had 3.5% legendaries at one point. I think it was around the 1,400, 1,500 parcel mark. Well, legendaries are now the one thing that I have a surplus of at 5.15%. I'm not complaining, but I will say, I talked with Arn a while ago, and his advice to me when I was sitting at around this mark was not to worry. The law of averages would eventually catch up, and boy, has it. The only thing I'm complaining about now is that the rarity that lags behind the most are epics when I used to be ahead of them. Now, to be fair, I know a lot of this is due to legendary parcel upgrades that I've earned, but even my global percentile minus the LPUs have been steadily going up, and just past the 10th percentile, so it is not doing all the work. Now, my global distribution percentile with LPUs have moved up to 46.51%, nearing the median with a z-score of negative 0.088. At this rate, I'm hoping a positive z-score is on the horizon in the next couple months, and my total monthly earnings have gone up $2.53 to hit $134.90 for the month. Now, I'm not 100% sure what to call it. It used to be called the Road to Break Even, and it will be this month, but I'm going to have to put a new name for it because we're not breaking even anymore. I'm officially in profit permanently unless I decided to reinvest a bunch of money. But anyway, I started the month at $100.70 in the green, and for the month of April, I've earned $133. Didn't spend or reinvest any, and that leaves me with a surplus of $233.70. And with May being a 31-day month, I could see me easily hitting $135 or possibly even $140. Now for the world rankings, I'm going to be honest with you on this one. Since I've given up on minigames, I haven't really checked this as much, and I'm not quite sure how much longer I plan to, but we'll keep doing it for a few more months. It's starting to look a bit embarrassing for me. If it gets to a point that I'm getting ready to leave the top 500, I might just stop altogether. But in the world, I have dropped 10 spots to 241st. In the US, I dropped 6 spots to 196th. And in North Carolina, I am still 5th, but Glaston and Drift One Mobile are starting to catch up to me. So slipping back to 7th is probably in the cards for me at this point by the end of the summer, unless I decide to take things a bit more seriously in the next few months. But as y'all know, I'm still working on a bunch of stuff, so that's probably not happening. My project that I've been doing in Kannapolis has also cost me in mayorships. I just recently lost the China Grove mayorship that I grabbed back in September, bringing me down back to 3, Kannapolis, Landis, and Enochville. I have decided, due to my project here in Kannapolis, I am going to table retaking China Grove for now and focus on my project. I hope to talk about it in the next few months, exactly what I'm planning here, but it's likely that I won't be retaking China Grove, and I'm expecting I'll eventually lose Landis as well in the near future. And as I mentioned in my last two videos anyway, Atlas Earth is simply a tool I use to help me get to where I want to go financially. Yes, I am one of the biggest Atlas Earth channels on YouTube, which is funny because the other biggest channel on YouTube, Bronze Dragon Gaming, is a gaming channel and I am a finance channel. But Atlas Earth has always been one piece of the equation for me. It has not been the whole thing. Now, Beer Money Apps was another piece as well. But if you came here for Atlas Earth content, don't worry, that's not going away. And I'm going to have financial autonomy videos. So basically the personal finance stuff that I've been wanting to talk about for years now start taking a bigger role on the channel alongside Atlas Earth. And half the videos that I'm making will continue to be Atlas Earth in some form, at least half anyway. Just because, one, y'all like seeing it, and it is my most popular video still. And two, just how easily and streamlined it is to make them, especially with the features Atlas Earth are planning to bring out, and the growing anger over ads, especially from Meta, what with some ads not even crediting, even if you watch the full ad now. Actually, now that I think of it, of the three pillars of this channel, beer money reviews are the hardest to do and take the most time to do, actually. Partially that's because of the research it takes to get to it, and partially because more often than not, a lot of the newer apps will change their policies on a whim and completely outdate my review within like a month. Case in point, the Pengu Pace app completely changed how you earn on it to where it'll lock you out from earning via steps if you don't do any of their offers now, like every few days. The recording I did still had the 1 cent per 2,500 step earnings, and that was unconditional. Now it's 2 cents, but you must do an offer milestone every few days. So now I gotta go back and record a whole new segment and piece things together to get it done. This isn't the first time it's happened either. I've had to cancel 2 reviews for the exact same reason. So that's why reviews have been a bit slow to come by, in case you were wondering. And I have so many others I want to get to too, like Playmax, Bitwalk, and also start touching the side hustle stuff as well, and rewards programs. So if you're wondering why that side has been a bit slow, just on the side, just letting you know that's part of the reason why. Now back to the Atlas Earth progress though. For the month of May, I start moving challenges to monthly, and I will be at least until August doing challenges monthly. Since I canceled the annual instead of downgrading from annual to monthly because I forgot there was a downgrade button, I'll be paying $14.99 for the first month instead of $9.99, but that is okay. That is just a minor setback. The goal is at this point to try to catch up to Bronze Dragon Gaming in the profit area and see if the Atlas Explorer Club does indeed allow you to slingshot ahead of free-to-play players. Even if I did, I still wouldn't recommend it for most people, especially starting out. But if you're well along in your financial journey, and you think Atlas Earth will be around for a good 4 to 5 years out, this strategy could work out. I guess we'll see. Anyway, everyone, that is the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give it a like if you did, and comment how you did in the month of April. I will reply to most comments. I try to, the best that I can, but after a couple days, I don't really see your comments, and I do apologize if I don't get a chance to reply to them. Sometimes I will go seek out comments if I see it. Also, a big thanks to my Beer Money Insiders, Disturbed Doge, Josh42, the T99 Solgwolf, Ashley Stanfield, Kristen O'Neill, and the Board Game Sports Network. I am planning on getting another membership thing done. We will talk about that, though, in the next month or two, if you're interested in YouTube membership stuff, but I'm looking into hopefully getting some more stuff done with the Beer Money Engine app first. Now, if you want to see the start of that video series, I have the first 2 videos on either side. Check them out, and I will see you all in the next one. This is Pharaoh Silver, signing off.